Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Maths teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to continue chapter 6, more division. Dear kids, in this video we are going to learn checking with division. Example 1, 25 divided by 6 equal to what? Think how many 6 in 25. Here we are going to separate two part, that is long division part and checking part. Yes, first part, the long division part. Yes, I am going to write in place value chart. Dividend 25, I am going to write inside the inverted L, and divisor 6 is I am going to write in left side of the inverted L. Next I am going to say the tables 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30 is the more than 25, so take the previous multiplication fact, that is 4 6 are 24. 4 I am going to write in quotient. We know 4 into 6 are 24, I am going to write in below the dividend. Immediately I am going to subtract 25 minus 24 equal to 1. 1 is the remainder. There are 4 6 in 25 and 1 will be the leftover. Therefore answer is 25 divided by 6 equal to quotient is 4, remainder is 1. Dear kids, next we are going to learn checking part. Hereafter I am going to write dividend in short form DIVD equal to 25, divisor DIV equal to 6, quotient Q equal to 4, remainder R equal to 1. Dear kids, this is the one of the formula. Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Dear kids, I repeat, dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. That means the dividend you will get, you multiply with the quotient with the divisor and you are going to add remainder. We know quotient equal to 4, divisor equal to 6, the remainder is 1. Therefore 4 into 6 plus 1 equal to 24 plus 1 equal to 25. Yes, we got dividend. Dividend 25. Next example 2, 34 divided by 7 equal to what? Dear kids, think how many 7s are there in 34. Yes, here we are going to separate two part, that is long division part and checking part. First long division part, we know the dividend 34. Yes, I am going to write in inside the inverted L. The divisor 7 I am going to write in left side of the inverted L. Yes, immediately I am going to start multiplication fact. Yes, 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35. So 5 7s are 35. This is the more than 34. So take the previous multiplication fact. That means 4 into 7 equal to 28. 4 7s are 28. So divisor, that is 7 is a divisor. So I am going to write 4 in the quotient part. Now I am going to multiply 4 7s are 28. 28 I am going to write in below the dividend. Next immediately I am going to subtract 34 minus 28 equal to 6. Therefore there are 4 7s in 34 and 6 will be left over. The answer 34 divided by 7 equal to quotient is 4, remainder is 6. Next is checking part. We know dividend equal to 34, divisor equal to 7, quotient equal to 4, remainder is 6. Yes, we know the division checking formula. Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Yes, I am going to apply in this formula. Quotient 4 into divisor 7 plus remainder 6. 4 7s are 28 plus 6 equal to 34. One more example for you. 34 divided by 8 equal to what? Dear kids, think how many 8s are there in 34. Yes, first part, the long division part. I am going to write in place value chart. Dividend 34, divisor 8. Next, I am going to say multiplication fact. 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40. Yes, this is more than 34. So take the previous multiplication fact, that is 4 8s are 32. 4 I am going to write in quotient part. 4 8s are 32. I am going to write below the dividend. Immediately I am going to subtract 34 minus 32 equal to 2. The remainder is 2. Therefore, there are 4 8s in 34 and 2 will be left over. The answer 34 divided by 8 equal to quotient is 4, remainder is 2. Next part. Yes, next part is checking. We know dividend is 34, divisor is 8, quotient is 4, remainder is 2. Yes, checking formula, dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. We know quotient is 4, divisor is 8, remainder is 2. I am going to apply in this formula. 4 into 8 plus 2. 4 8s are 32 plus 2 equal to 34. Dear kids, same way you also try yourself. Pause the video, complete your classwork note. Thank you. We will see in the next video.